when we're on call, we try to get there. When it's 100 degrees outside, we try to get there no matter what. I mean, late at night, 24/7, we try to get someone heating and air conditioning.
This lady has been a customer of ours for 30 years, at least 30 years. And I went over there, she had no AC at all. And I went over there to look at the situation, and I walked in the house, and it was probably hotter in the house than it was outside.
And you look at the thermostat and it's 90 degrees in the house, and it's like, well, we gotta do something.
And I told her right then, I'll be back in a few minutes. Ran up the road to Lowe's and picked up 2 fans just to plug them in to get some air moving, because there was bars on the windows. I mean, you couldn't put we've got little window units that we can put in sometimes, but that was not going to work this time. So we had to get fans just to move air, and I made sure that the next morning we were over there getting her air conditioning fixed.
We took fans over and set them up for her wherever she wanted them, in the rooms that she would be spending the most time in. And we let her keep those fans until we got started and finished the job.
Those things mean a lot to us. I mean, we go into these homes, we service a lot of elderly people. And if we can get them cooling just as quick as possible, that's our goal.